Anyway, we're gonna do something different because we're gonna eat. Magkakamay tayo. Si Ian, lahat ng fish, sinasabi ko kahit tilapia, bangus, para lang kainin niya.
Para kainin niya.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Okay, let's go. Yes, Kaylin.
I'm carrying Dada.
Oh, okay.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. As you guys know, this past week we had a very, very special guest, Mr. PK himself.
Actually, you were his guest. Welcome to those from the PK or Pambansang Kolokoy channel. Thanks so much for subscribing or dropping by our channel. This is gonna be a really fun mukbang challenge. Si Jimmy cheerleader. Nagkumain naman siya ng konti. But as you know, very picky siya sa food. So it was me and PK eating a lot of food and Ian also. Anyway, check this out. Another vlog. Today we're gonna do something different because we're gonna eat. Actually, hindi different kasi hilig ko talagang kumain. Oh my goodness. This is special because it's Filipino food and magkakamay tayo and special din yung kasama natin because we get a chance to eat with Pambansang Kolokoy! Thank you so much for joining us.
Of course, yeah.
I'm so happy kasi nakilala natin siya, di ba, baby?
Yep, yeah.
And you guys get to, you know, do a little something on his channel.
Yeah.
So you guys should check that out. Pero ngayon, ano gagawin natin? Kakain tayo?
Siyempre, most of the time kasi yung aking content naman is about eating. So,
Nakita ko nga eh.
napakadali lang yun.
Nakakatakam yung mga videos mo.
All we have to do is eat.
Eat, diba? Eat and eat and eat.
Yeah.
And sinadya ko talagang today yung cheat day ko kasi nakikito ako eh. Pero
ganon.
sabi ko kakain tayo. And hindi masarap kumain ng Filipino food na walang rice, diba? So, it's time for us to eat this.
Kasi because we're Filipino, we have to use our hands.
No, I'm not using my hand.
Okay, fine. Ako magkakamay. Bala kayo.
Mama, I want to eat, but I want spoon and fork.
Okay, we're gonna get
spoon and fork.
Si Ian, lahat ng fish, sinasabi ko kahit tilapia, bangus, para lang kainin niya.
Para kainin niya.
Kasi favorite
Oh yeah, even this one, this is bangus also.
Gusto rin niya ng tuyo, pero sabi ko kasi anak yun ng bangus.
Okay, bangus pa rin.
Gusto ko ng itlog na maalat. Jimmy eats nilaga. Yun nga lang, walang gulay. Pati tinola ni Jimmy, manok lang at saka patatas, hindi nga tinola. So kailan ka nag-start mag-vlog?
Ako siguro yung vlogging sa YouTube siguro mga full time siguro 2 years ago. Pero ako kasi nag-umpisa ako kasi sa Facebook.
Facebook?
Facebook ako nag-umpisa talaga.
Ako naman, kasi kailan lang siya sumali sa akin.
Yeah,
Kailan
it
lang
was
siya pumayag
her
kasi
idea
busy
for
siya.
the vlog at first.
And nai-enjoy ng mga kids, right?
Kaya parang parang yung misis ko rin, hindi ko rin alam kung paano ko na-convince siya. Kasi isa rin siyang yung parang
Niya private.
pag nakaharap na siya sa camera, it's like, mo kung kukunan. Yung parang ganun siyang yung type of person. Meron kaming isang ginawang skit, which is natawa rin siya sa sarili niya. Parang nag-enjoy na siya. So okay, fine, let's do it na. Basta huwag mo lang ako papahiya. Gusto ko ikaw lang papahiya ako yung mga
Yun yung ano niya. That's nice. Your youngest, tama ba? Vlogs also with you.
Kaming dalawa talaga.
Kayong dalawa talaga. Okay.
He was only 4 years old nung nag-umpisa ka.
Oh, wow. But did he outgrow it or up to now, game pa rin siya lagi? O mas version ba?
Once in a while na lang siya ngayon. Kasi parang ngayong lumaki na siya.
Naka-conscious sila
Naka-conscious na siya.
Parang ito, nangyayari dito. Before, pictures naman, ma-Instagram naman ako before. Kailan lang din kami nag-YouTube. Dati, post siya ng post, okay, sarap, bihisa na sarap. Pero dumating, parang may sumpong. Paminsan-minsan na lang yung, ako, naka-conscious na, nahihiya na.
And noon, kasi nga maliit lang siya, so napabribe ko pa siya ng mga maliliit na bagay. Okay, I'll buy you chocolate, candy. Okay,
Ayun, yung chocolate.
Ngayon, medyo expensive na yung hinihingi niya. Okay, you need to buy me this one and that. Okay, can I go to your Amazon account so I can buy what I want before we make the video? So I'm like, Kaya kung minsan, sige na nga, ako na lang mag-isa. Huwag ka na
Huwag
sumama.
ka na. Tapos yung ano mo, yung comedy, do you do stand-up also? Or,
Oo, nung wala pang COVID.
ito si COVID na to, yun namin nagbago,
Oo.
di ba? Bigla kami napunta dito, sa Amerika.
Ah, ganun ba?
Dahil sa COVID din. Kasi bigla na-stop yung season nila eh. In the Philippines, nakakulong lang sila. Hindi sila pwede lumabas. Of course, we're still, playing it safe, make sure they wear a mask and ganyan. But at least dito, diba, they can kahit paano go out to the store and go out. In Manila kasi, during the lockdown talaga. Up to now, I think.
So doon ba talaga
they can go to
mahigpit?
the beach, mahigpit talaga.
Nagulat nga ako kasi si Coach, he was able to reserve a gym.
Only because I met the owner because that day he used to be a national team player for Chinese Taipei. And I didn't know naglaban kami before. And so he said, oh, I remember you played for the Philippines. And so technically they're not really open to the public, but they do allow workouts, pero obviously small group lang. Kailangan mask everyone.
Anong namimiss yung sa Philippines?
Number one, help.
Yeah. We were there for so long, and then making the transition here after 20 years. When we took the flight here from Manila to LA, we already had a container. We paid for a container, so lahat yung gamit namin 3 weeks before the flight, nag-ship na. But we still had daming gamit sa bahay. So we had 2 bags for each of us. So there's 5 of us, 10 bags. We had 6 balikbayan box on top of our luggage. So we got on the flight. Pagdating kami sa LAX, walang porter.
Oo. Yeah, kasi napanood ko yung vlog ninyo, yung nagpapaalam kayo, nag-iiyakan sila.
Pati kami naiyak. Naiyak na.
Yung mga kasamahan ninyo, di ba?
Kasi parang family na rin sila eh. Ngayon nga nakakalungkot. Every Christmas, we have a Christmas party for our staff.
Is it for good na? Nandito kayo or...
We're not closing our doors.
Yeah,
I mean,
we're
we'll
not
never
closing
close
our doors to go back
yeah.
to Manila. For right now, for our family, it's better for us to be here.
For now.
Especially for the kids.
Yeah, for now, yeah.
And we'll see what God's got planned for us. He's brought us here. Kids are happy.
Yeah.
It's been a big adjustment for us.
Yeah.
But we're still thankful.
Si Lavar, doon ba sila talaga?
Yeah, same area.
Wala talagang alam eh. Alam ko lang sa basketball gym eh. Kahit anong mo siya, kahit nung siya, Summer League last year, may mga nakakasabay kami sa elevator. Nasa Starstruck daw. Ako naman, sino yun? Hindi ko talaga alam.
Siguro it would happen also with my wife. Siguro it's gonna be the same.
I mean, if it's not me or the team that I'm playing on, she won't know. Michael Jordan could, or LeBron James could be
Or
sitting
wag
right
naman.
next to her.
Kilala ko naman si
siguro,
Lebron
siguro yan
James.
eh.
Si Lebron, si Kobe, kilala ko naman yan.
Makikilala na siguro kapag libro na pinag-usap.
Yung basketball, nahilig lang talaga ako because of him. Kaya nung nag-retire siya, ako yung nahirap.
Oh, talaga? Bakit?
Hindi ko matanggap. Sabi ko, kaya pa niya maglaro. Pagod na daw siya. Sabi, hindi ka pa pagod. Akala mo lang yan.
Nag-retire ako, I was 1 month away from my 39th birthday.
Sabi ko, hindi ka pa 40, ba't ka mag-retire?
I think the mind and the heart is always willing, but physically, I did so much yung last season in terms of diet, stretching, working out, everything, therapy, just to make sure that I could play. Because yung feeling ko, if I was gonna play, then I wanted to be out there, diba? I mean, I didn't want to be there. The kids are there watching me, and I'm at the end of the bench. I don't play anymore.
Exactly.
So yung last season, I was playing with Coach Norman at Morocco. I was playing 25 during the playoffs, 30 minutes a game. But after that season, we lost at the buzzers in the finals, and it was I just knew that I was done. For me, not only in the PBA, but playing for Gilas, iba.
Iba talaga.
When you play for our
Your
country,
country.
you feel very fortunate to be in that position. Kasi,
Oh,
diba?
yeah. What would you prefer? Playing with import or without import?
They always say that the all Filipino is the most prestigious kasi diba? It's all Filipino.
Yeah, it's all Filipino.
But I do think the imports in certain situations help raise the level of play. You have 7-foot guys or these super athletic guys. So I think there's a balance.
Tapos ako na nag-interview kay Coach. Sino ang pinaka naiinis ka every time na ginagwardyahan ka? It's like, oh my goodness, this guy again? Can you please leave me alone? Yung
Yeah.
Kasi si Michael Jordan, ang pinaka hate na na nagagwardya sa kanya was Joe Dumars.
From Detroit.
Yeah.
See Topex Robinson. Shout out to my guy, Coach Topex, who's doing a great job with Phoenix. But man, when we used to play as in 94 feet, pag kuha ako yung bola, as soon as I turn around, doon siya.
Nandun na talaga in your face talaga.
And he was so tough, and he just was relentless. He just wouldn't stop. No matter where I go, 40 feet from the basket, nandun siya. If I'm near the basket, nandun siya. A really great defender.
Meron na bang nag-trash talk sa'yo while you guys are playing in the sa PBA
See Ronald Tubin. It wasn't so much trash talking, but he was another great defender, and he was really athletic and really strong. And so sometimes I would make a move, and he would just kind of beat me to the spot, and then he would take a charge.
Na nakaasar talaga.
Nakakainiyan.
Pero ikaw ba yung madali kang maasar.
No, I just
Hindi siya naaasar. Ako nabipikon.
Ikaw, habang nanonood ka, ano?
May na-hide. Siya ka mabait.
Sikuhin mo nga yan, one time lang.
Ronald was really good though because he would just knew he was a great defender, and so when he would make a really good defensive play, he would just let you know about it. He'd smile, he'd get in your face and smile, and you know that would get me almost to my boiling point. But he was really good.
Toughest team that you ever played is PBA.
Toughest team, without a doubt, Ginebra.
Ginebra talaga.
Paano pag Ginebra yung kalaban mo? Parang kami lang yung fans. Parang kailangan sumigaw ako
Talaga,
times 10.
ay, yun talagang maka Ginebra
Talaga,
lahat yung
Ginebra
pag may laban yung Ginebra, talagang lahat
there's-
pupunta Ginebra.
If there's 20,000 in the arena, 1,000 will be our fans. The other 19,000 will be there.
Will be Ginebra. So
Yeah.
is it because the crowd kaya kayo nahihirapan or the team itself?
Both. No, both.
Both.
I mean, they were a really good team, and then just the crowd support just kind of.
Ano pa sa kanila,
Yeah.
pump pa sa kanila
Yeah.
yan, di ba? Yeah. Meron na bang situation na talagang yung fan mo ay talagang yung bang they jump the a fence or something just to get their hands on you, parang gano'n. Wala pa namang gano'n.
The provincial games can get crazy because the PBA only plays in certain cities. You know, maybe.
Boy pa naman siya, guys. Hindi lang
You
siya
know, maybe.
mapakali.
I would say my time with Gilas. Because wherever we travel, guys, the States, the Middle East, or Europe, it's special. You know, when you step out on the court and you know how much people care about the success for our country, you know, I think it provides a different motivation.
Okay, kumain.
Nagkamay siya.
Okay, kumain. Happy siya.
Sino sa kanila nakikita mo na may follow your step? Meron na ba?
Well, I thought maybe this one.
Talaga.
Ito kasi taekwondo eh. Ito talaga pagising, shoot. I wanna shoot.
Siya, yung
Oo,
maliit.
tsaka pinapray over ko yan gabi-gabi. Hindi pa siya pinapanganak, pinagdasal ko na na maging basketball player siya. Hindi, no joke.
Like
What was your
banana.
vision for your vlog when you started? Because for us, it was really her idea.
Yeah, yung sa amin naman ng anak ko, it was just an accident din. Merong lumabas na isang phone app na you can make your own parang short video. Pinaglaruan ko yon. Pumayag naman siya, ang lit-lit pa niya yun, siguro mga 3 or 4 years old. So pagkatapos nun, in-upload ko sa Facebook. Siguro yung views nun, siguro mga 10 views, 2 shares. We were so happy. Wow, may nanood sa video natin. So parang na-motivate kami to keep on doing it. Hanggang sa nagkasunod-sunod na gumagawa kami ng mag-ama ng mga videos, mga skits.
Go to the bathroom.
Oh, the bathroom is over there.
Is there a towel?
Tabo. Naghahanap siya ng tabo.
Ay, tabo?
Hindi, tabo daw.
Ano kaya ni Jokoy to?
Nakita ko yung video mo, nilagay mo ng daga, yung pagkain niya. Takot siya sa daga.
Takot siya sa daga, takot siya sa ipis, takot siya sa...
Naisip ko nga ipis, nagka-idea ako eh.
Takot siya sa...
Sabi ko sa ipis eh.
Takot siya sa gagamba.
For COVID, how often do you travel?
Siguro mga 1 week lang ang pahinga ko. Most every weekend. Doon na ako sa airport. Parang second home ko na yung airport kasi pagkatapos ng show ko dito, meron naman ako isang next show na naman after 2 weeks. So parang marami. I was so busy last year.
Last year.
Yeah. It came to the point pa nga na sinabi ko sa misis ko, pagod na ako, ayaw ko ng ganito. I'm always traveling. Tapos nung nagka-COVID na, sabi ko, namimiss ko mag-travel. Di ba sinabi mo, pagod na
Pagod
ka
ka
na.
na.
Tapos ngayon, hinahanap-hanap mo.
The food was good. Thank you, PK.
Yes.
Thank you for spending some time with us. It was
Oh,
great.
yeah.
It's great meeting you and great spending some time today.
I had so much fun talaga. I had so much fun. I wasn't hindi ko na-expect talaga na mangyayari itong ganitong situation na, we'll be hanging out together. So it's very impossible talaga. But nangyari. And I'm so happy.
So yeah, thank you so much.
Yes,
and
yes,
hopefully we get to meet your wife one
Oh,
day.
yeah.
Diba? Let's do a couple thing or a husband and
yeah.
wife thing.
Yeah, we'll do another collaboration next time
Yes.
again.
Iwan natin yung mga anak natin. Iwan talaga. Hanap naman tayo.
And thank you again to Bamboo Bistro. Thank you again for hosting us today.
Yes, guys, again, even if it's COVID, don't let that stop you from eating Filipino food because they deliver. Check out Pambansang, Kolokoy. So thank you again.
Bye.
Alright, so that was our super yummy mukbang challenge. As you can see, ang dami ko nakain, as always. I love Filipino food at sobrang hilig ko magkamay. And Ian, tignan niyo naman, nag-double chin na siya. Sobrang niya daming kinain na bangus because that is his favorite fish. Anyway, we want to do our shout-outs.
Yes.
Wait,
So,
Kiona's gonna do the first one.
Oh,
Because
alright.
it's a 4th birthday. Kiona?
go ahead, Kiana.
You
Say
say
hi
Bea
to Bea May.
Oh, say it.
Happy first birthday.
4th
Bea.
birthday.
4th birthday, Bea May.
Yes, Bea
So
May
Bea May Aldonza, happy 4th birthday.
Yes.
We also have the Dumantay family and also Jeremy Pineda and family in Santo Tomas, Pampanga.
Hi guys.
All right, guys. So continuing with the shout outs,
Okay, they're outside.
we have
You
our
wanna say
special
hi?
guest outside. Kaven's there also.
In
So
the backyard.
we have the Alexis Chavez and family in Davao City, and also
Hi.
Frank and Caboose family in Dubai.
Oh,
Honey
nice.
Clover in Quezon City, and Janice Inokando in Cebu. Thank you, Janice. And also we have the
Taginod.
Taginod family
From Cagayan.
from Cagayan and the Acorda family in Isabela.
And also Melba and Dom from Taguig City.
Hi, Melba and Dom.
Then we got Christian Del Barrio from Quezon City, Mommy Olive, Trix Rivera and family, the La Cruz family from Victoria Oriental, Mindoro, Udaondo family from Caloocan, Carmen Babayson from Pagadian, Mindanao.
And also Bulong and Temecula family out there in
Oh
Washington,
wow!
D.C.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
We have John Rick Bayani from Lawak, Pangasinan, Pura Velasco from Sampaloc, Manila,
And last but not
and
least,
Jotohot family. Sana tama
Joto
yung
Hot
pagsabi
family.
namin.
Hopefully got that
From
right.
Bohol. And then it's also the birthday of Darwin Valdez on December 20.
So happy birthday, Darwin.
From your papa, Alex Valdez from San Juan, La Union. So yeah, that was a request of Miss Mercy Valdez. So yeah, happy birthday, Darwin.
Happy birthday, Darwin.
And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog. And I just want to give a special shout out, of course, to PK, Pambansang, Kolokoy. We had so much fun with you. And syempre, kay Wonder Z. You can also check out Wonder Z Vlogs. Siya po yung nag-video habang nagmumukbang kami dahil wala pa akong actual professional vlog camera. Puro phone lang. So, he did the video and he also did the editing. So, thank you so much. And of course, shout out to our team in the Philippines naman, Did You Work? So, yeah. Thank you so much again, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And we will see you guys again on Wednesday. Pero bago yan, don't forget our live.
Yeah, 9 p.m. Saturday night here in
state,
California,
yes.
and 1 p.m. in the afternoon on Sunday in the Philippines.
Yes, so yeah, check it out. We're gonna be on Kumu. We will go on live on Facebook to post the link, but we will be using Kumu for the first time. So we will see you guys there.
Yep, feel free to drop by, guys. See you guys later tonight.
And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and all that good stuff. Mwah!
See you guys.